Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that's going to challenge the way many of you think about retirement investing. Most of you watching this probably already know about SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. It's become one of the most popular dividend ETFs out there, and for good reason. It's consistent, it's reliable, and it pays a dividend yield that keeps investors happy. But here's the truth that not everyone wants to admit. SCHD by itself is not enough to retire faster. Yes, it can help you build steady income, but if you want to accelerate your path to financial freedom, if you want to retire in 10, 15, or even 20 years instead of working until 67, you need to pair SCHD with other ETFs. That's where VOO and QQQ come in. In this video, I'll break down exactly why SCHD isn't enough, how VOO and QQQ balance and supercharge your portfolio, and how to put them all together for a retirement plan that's not just strong, but faster. So grab your notebook, sit back, and let's dive right into it. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. Let's start with the obvious. SCHD is one of the most loved dividend ETFs. It focuses on companies with strong fundamentals, stable cash flows, and a history of paying dividends. Right now, SCHD's dividend yield hovers around 3% to 3.5%, and its dividend growth has been impressive over the years. For investors who love passive income, this ETF looks like a dream. But here's the issue. SCHD has some limitations that can hold you back if you rely on it alone. First, sector concentration. SCHD is heavily weighted in sectors like financials, consumer staples, and industrials. That's not bad, but it means SCHD is missing out on a massive driver of the stock market, technology. In fact, tech exposure in SCHD is very limited compared to other ETFs. Second, dividend traps. Just because a company pays a dividend doesn't mean it's a great investment. Sometimes, companies with high yields are struggling to grow. If their earnings weaken, they can cut dividends, and when that happens, ETFs like SCHD get hit. Third, limited growth. SCHD is designed for dividend income and stability, not for maximum capital appreciation. If you're trying to retire early, you need both income and growth. A portfolio that relies only on dividends could grow slower than one that mixes income with high-growth sectors. So, while SCHD is fantastic, it's like having a strong foundation without the rest of the house. You need walls, a roof, and a design that accelerates your path forward. Now let's talk about diversification. Diversification is simply about not putting all your eggs in one basket. Think about it this way. SCHD is your steady paycheck. It gives you reliable income, but it's not going to make you rich overnight. VOO, on the other hand, is like your safety net. It spreads your investments across all sectors of the US economy. And then you have QQQ, which is like the rocket booster. It focuses on the companies driving the future, like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Amazon. When you combine these three ETFs, you get balance. You get dividends, you get safety, and you get growth. Together, they make your portfolio more powerful than relying on SCHD alone. It's like building a car. SCHD is the engine that keeps things steady, VOO is the frame that keeps everything balanced, and QQQ is the turbocharger that makes the car accelerate. Without all three, your financial vehicle is incomplete. Now, let's dig into VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. VOO tracks the S&P 500, which means when you buy VOO, you're investing in the 500 largest companies in the US economy. This includes all the big names you know: Apple, Microsoft, Johnson & Amp, Johnson, JP Morgan, ExxonMobil, and hundreds more. Why is this important? Because the S&P 500 is one of the most reliable benchmarks of long-term wealth building. Historically, it has delivered around 10% annual returns. That means if you invested $10,000 in the S&P 500 and just held for 30 years, you could end up with over $174,000. VOO is also dirt cheap in terms of fees. The expense ratio is only 0.03%. That means for every $10,000 you invest, you're paying just $3 per year in fees. Practically nothing. So what role does VOO play in your retirement plan? It's the diversifier. SCHD is concentrated in certain sectors, but VOO spreads your money across the entire market. That reduces risk and ensures you're not overexposed to just one area. A portfolio of SCHD and VOO together is already much stronger than SCHD alone. But when we add QQQ to the mix, that's when things get really exciting. Next up is QQQ, the Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF. QQQ is where you get your growth engine. Unlike SCHD, which focuses on dividends, or VOO, which covers everything, QQQ zeroes in on the top 100 companies in the Nasdaq, companies that are innovation-driven, fast-growing, and future-focused. Think Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Google, Meta, Tesla. These are the companies that have driven the majority of stock market gains over the last 2 decades. QQQ doesn't pay much in dividends, but that's not its job. Its job is to grow your capital. Historically, QQQ has delivered about 14% annualized returns over the past 20 years. That's significantly higher than the S&P 500 and way ahead of most dividend-focused ETFs. Here's a powerful example. If you invested $10,000 in QQQ 20 years ago, you'd have over $150,000 today. That's the power of growth. Yes, QQQ is more volatile. During market crashes, it can fall harder. But if your goal is to retire faster, this is the ETF that accelerates your compounding. SCHD gives you income today, VOO keeps you balanced, and QQQ builds tomorrow's wealth. Now let's put it all together. Here's how these 3 ETFs complement each other. SCHD gives you steady dividends and stability. VOO gives you broad diversification across the entire U.S. economy. QQQ gives you high growth potential through innovative companies. So, how do you actually structure a portfolio with these 3? Let me give you some examples. Conservative investor, 50% SCHD, 40% VOO, 10% QQQ. This prioritizes income and stability while still having a bit of growth. Balanced investor, 40% SCHD, 40% VOO, 20% QQQ. This balances income with long-term growth. Aggressive investor, 30% SCHD, 20% VOO, 50% QQQ. This is for those who want to retire faster and are okay with higher volatility. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. It depends on your risk tolerance, your timeline, and your goals. But the key is that the trio works better together than any of them alone. One of the biggest debates in retirement investing is whether you should rely on dividends or capital growth. Here's the truth. You need both. SCHD gives you dividend income. That's money you can spend without selling shares. But VOO and QQQ give you capital growth, which increases your wealth over time. A good retirement strategy is to let SCHD's dividends cover your basic expenses while using VOO and QQQ's growth as your wealth multiplier. And when you eventually need extra income, you can sell a small percentage of VOO or QQQ each year. Think of it like this. SCHD is your monthly paycheck, while VOO and QQQ are your long-term bonuses. Now let's look at some numbers. Imagine you invested $100,000 20 years ago. Here's what would have happened if you put it all in SCHD, or a similar dividend ETF at the time. You might have grown to about $500,000. Not bad. If you split between SCHD and VOO, you'd be closer to $650,000. But if you combined SCHD, VOO, and QQQ, your portfolio could be worth over $900,000 today. That's the power of combining income with growth. By including QQQ, you dramatically accelerate your compounding and get much closer to retiring earlier. Of course, no investment strategy is without risks. With QQQ, you're more exposed to technology. If tech goes through a rough patch, QQQ can drop hard. With SCHD, you face the risk of dividend cuts. With VOO, you're tied to the overall US market, so if the market declines, your portfolio will too. The solution is rebalancing. Once a year, check your allocations and adjust back to your target. This way, you take profits from the winners and buy more of what's lagging, keeping your risk under control. So, how do you get started? Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Whether it's Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, TD, or another platform, the choice is yours. Step 2. Automate your contributions. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount every month. Step 3. Use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, 401ks, RRSPs, or TFSAs, depending on where you live. This saves you money on taxes and accelerates your growth. Step 4. Stay consistent. The biggest mistake investors make is stopping during downturns. Stick to your plan. To wrap things up, SCHD is an incredible dividend ETF. But if your goal is to retire faster, it's not enough on its own. By adding VOO and QQQ, you build a portfolio that balances income, diversification, and high growth. SCHD pays you today. VOO keeps your foundation stable. QQQ builds tomorrow's wealth. Together, they create a powerful trio that can take you to financial freedom much faster than SCHD alone. So, don't wait. Build your plan today, stay consistent, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's planning for retirement. Your future self will thank you.